Hey YouTube, how you guys doing? My Toyota Avalon popped a check engine light. So got my engine scanner, OBD type, and yeah, let me go check the code. But mainly I'm gonna replace the oxygen sensor, bank 1, sensor 2. $289,495. Let's read the code. Got 6 of them. P0138. Oxygen sensor. P0607. Disconnect your battery, right? Loosen it up. We are good to go. Let's go ahead and install it. Okay, just checked. No leaks. No leaks. Check it out. There's the oxygen sensor. Let me go ahead and take it off. Well, I'm gonna have to use penetrating oil, right? Let me spray it. Show it to you. Right here. Press this down and pull it. Should be okay. Connected. There it is. Thing's tight. All right, let me get a pipe. We got a pipe. There we go. The pipe trick worked, right? Got them off. Here it is. Take a look. Here's the new one and the old one. Connectors. Identical. So we are good to go. Let me go ahead and slap it in. Came with anti-seize already. So we are good to go. Let me go ahead and put it on. Slap it on. Tighten it up. All right, here we go. This goes to the bottom and this goes to the top where the clip is. This goes on top right there. Here we go. Snap in place. Beauty. It's a beautiful thing. Here it is. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to click subscribe, click that notification bell. Chat with you guys later. This is oxygen sensor, bank 1, sensor 2. Reconnect the battery. Beauty. Tighten it up and we're good to go. Here are the parts and tools I used on this video. Specialized wrench for oxygen sensor. Use Denso downstream bank 1, sensor 2, and of course the scanner. Just throwing in this Fram titanium oil filter FS9972. Car was due for an oil change, so I thought I'd do all of them at the same time, or both of them at the same time, which is the replacement of the oxygen sensor and of course oil change. Here's that pipe I use for better leverage. Just a basic pipe. It's actually from an old fence, right? And of course this is the old oxygen sensor.